Welcome to RNS Group of Institutions. Nestled in the vibrant neighborhood of Rajarajeshwari Nagar, Bengaluru, our college is strategically located in a community, creating a unique backdrop for your educational journey. Dr. R.N. Shetty, the visionary founder of RNS Group of Institutions, established this campus that is equipped with a divine temple, a spacious auditorium, a beautiful garden, a highly resourceful library, a canteen, in-campus ATM facilities, and abundant space for different forms of sports. With a profound commitment to education, he has carved a legacy that reflects his unwavering dedication to the empowerment of individuals and transformational communities. RNS First Grade College was established in the year 2012 by Dr. R.N. Shetty, with a vision of creating great experiences through a vibrant and inclusive campus life that encourages creativity, exploration, and personal growth. Our vision is simple yet profound: to set the benchmark in the delivery of quality education. Our mission is to empower students, fostering confidence, knowledge, responsibility, and productivity in an ever-changing world.
Good morning everyone. My name is Murli Krishna K. Mysore. I am the Chief Technology Officer of RNS Group of Institutions, where we manage around 11 schools and colleges under RNS Group. The DNA of RNS Group is basically the ethics, integrity and ಒಂದು ಸೇವಾ ಮನೋಭಾವ. ಆ ಒಂದು DNA ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಲ್ಲೂ ಬಂದಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ RN Shetty. So the same thing we are inculcating with all the students. I encourage all the parents in and around Bangalore, in and around Karnataka to ensure that they put the kids into our school, because we start from LKG and then the end product is MBA, MCA or MTech. ಸೊ ನಾ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ಒಂದು ಸದೃಢ ಪ್ರಜೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಂಗ್ರೀಡಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ RNS ಗ್ರೂಪ್ನಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಎನ್ಶೂರ್ ದಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಟಾಕ್ ಟು ಅಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಪುಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪ್ರಜೆಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಛಲ ಇದೆ, ಮನೋಭಾವ ಇದೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀವಿ.
Our mission is to foster excellence and innovation. With autonomy, we have the flexibility to enhance curriculum and provide students with the best opportunities.
Life at RNS FGC goes beyond academics. From dynamic sports activities to vibrant cultural programs, we provide a platform for students to explore their passions and hone their skills. RNS FGC takes pride in its robust placement opportunities. Our graduates are recruited by leading companies, ensuring a successful start to their professional journeys. Whether you aspire to excel in business, technology, or management, RNS FGC is here to guide you on your journey. Discover your potential, embrace new challenges, and create lasting memories at RNS First Grade College, where your future begins today.